Hey everybody, it's me, Jonathan, your blue collar software guru. Today I'm just doing a continuation on the first video where I showed you how to register for my.flatratesoftware.com. Now that you are registered and logged in, you should be registered and logged in already, and you can confirm that over here. It will say whatever name you gave your username. It will not say guest here. In my case, it says I'm logged in as Jonathan Fayard. So once you are logged in, what I want to show you is how you can get a book, a sample book into the system so you can test drive and learn more about how all this software works. Okay, so moving on, we're going to go ahead and start the process for importing your sample flat rate book into the software. You're going to want to do the drop down for My Flat Rate Book here first, and then go to Maintenance, and then go to Flat Rate Books right here. Then you're going to want to click Import Default Book right here. At this point, you can just click Override or Skip. I'm going to choose Override. And there you have it. You now have sample flat rate tasks in the software. That is why when you look at these task counts, there are only 105 electrical service and maintenance tasks. If you had the premium, if you had purchased the books here, you would have over 1,000 tasks here, not 105. But we want you to be able to get in and test drive it, see what the kind of tasks look like, so you can gather more information and see if this is a fit for you or not. You can see here as well, we have HVAC equipment replacement tasks, 32 of those, to sample HVAC service and maintenance, 165 there. Landscape lighting price guide, we have 30 sample tasks there, and for plumbing repair and replacement, we have 79 sample tasks there as well. Anyways, I hope this video was useful to all of you, and until next time, have a great day.